Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's look into some interesting facts.
The leaf, ship sea slug, the only animal that can photosynthesize. 1,300 Earths could fit inside Jupiter. 1,000 Jupiters could fit inside Sun. Effects of the heat wave in France. Google plans to make the internet globally available with Wi-Fi balloons. These are some awesome comments from our viewers. Keep supporting us and do comment. We will be sharing with you such beautiful comments in our upcoming videos. This is a tree that got hit by lightning and it exposed its vascular system. Nature is so complex. There is a book named as Everything Men Know About a Woman that is just 120 blank pages. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they get stuck together permanently. This process of bonding is called cold welding in space. New Zealand proposes smoking ban for people born after 2004. Government wants to create a smoking-free generation by 2025. A skull-faced caterpillar that is found in rainforest of Australia. If Godzilla was real, it would produce 15 crores 14 lakh 36,928 gallons of urine per day. Justin Timberlake was the voice behind McDonald's I'm Loving It and was paid $6 million. In the UK, if you reach your 100th birthday, you can get a personalized birthday message from the Queen. Tom and Jerry were originally called Jasper and Jinx. The unspoken restaurant language. Black is everyone's favorite color until it comes to skin. The Angulua uniflora is a species of orchid which has flowers that resemble swaddled babies. If you stop time, you won't be able to see anything because light photons will freeze too and they won't hit your retina. The male brain is 10% bigger than the female's, but the female brain works more efficiently. In Japan, Ronald McDonald is called Donald McDonald due to lack of a clear R sound in Japanese. The camera used in many space missions are so powerful that it can see your shoe color and size from space. This Argali ship stabbed and killed by its own horn. Portrait of a car crash survivor showing the life-saving effects of a seat belt. Early 1900s, fireman suit for the fireman to get closer to the fire. When eating noodles in Japan, slurping loudly means the food is tasty. It's considered rude not to slurp. In the United Kingdom, all horses, ponies and donkeys must have an equine passport. Vityala Yatindra, holds the world record of the longest title of book, consists of 26,021 characters. Knock is the world's shortest horror story with only 2 sentences. The last man on earth sat alone in a room. There was a knock on the door. Stephen King, one of the greatest horror novelists of all time, himself has to sleep with the lights on. Garbage collector in Ankara, Turkey, opened a library full of books that were thrown away and headed for the landfill. Meet the man who grows chairs and tables and lamps. Gavin Munro doesn't just grow trees, he grows furniture. An ostrich carrier being stopped by police for crossing the speed limit, Los Angeles, around 1930. A hotel in Germany uses 3D carpets to keep guests from running in the hallway. This is a depiction of how many party balloons it would actually take to lift the house from up. Each dark dot represents one balloon. Astronaut in International Space Station sees 15 sunrises and 15 sunsets a day, each after every 45 minutes. Meet the Indian family who is the world's biggest albino family. 2 rivers meet without mixing, white and black, Aragvi rivers in Georgia.
We will be back with more interesting facts. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Also do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.